Hi guys.
It's not gonna Ronsay TV if you wanna be on sleep.
First, we're gonna section the hair.
Me had the grace for your body, yo. Me sweetie baby, yo. Me I go do everything for you. I go do everything for you. Bad man feel do everything for you. I go do everything for you. Girl, you the kill me with your style, look. Me had the grace for your style, look. I say, girl, you the kill me with your bunko. Yeah. Bets for you bunko. Hey, me I go put scholar for you. I go put scholar for you. Bad man feel put cola for you. I go put scholar for you. Cause you know me one kanda. One kanda. See now you know me one kanda. One kanda. See now you know me one kanda. Oh na na one kanda. See now you know me one kanda. Oh me one kanda. Yeah now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Say now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Tell her you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Say now you know me honey yo. Oh no no. Mommy yo. Anything you want make I do, I go do. Any say you want make I go, I go. Number one, no go put in number two. Cause she not the one where they make her feel the gold. Oh no 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 no, yeah. Tell her say you so beautiful. You not the one where they make her feel so good. Every day me a lady you.
As you can see, I'm walking my finger through and section the hair on the one side. So just look the video closely and you will understand it more when you see. I'm just going to grip the hair and braid.
Anytime I need you on my side, you they can't find it in my life. I see you not profit. Yeah. Cause you know me one kanda. One kanda. See now you know me one kanda. One kanda. Yeah now you know me one kanda. Oh na na one kanda. See now you know me one kanda. Oh me one kanda. Yeah now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Say now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Tell her you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Say now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo.
Me I like your body, baby, you dey give me fire. Girl, I like your body, baby, you dey give me fire. I like the way you do me coco. Oh baby girl, you know me back over. I like to call me on the name for your love, I go the fire. I like the way you do me coco. Oh baby girl, you know me back over. I like to call me on the name, I go tire. If not you do, you give me baby, give me boy, yeah.
Cause you know me one kanda.
On the mix.
One kanda. See now you know me one kanda. One kanda. Yeah now you know me one kanda. Oh na na one kanda. See now you know me one kanda. Oh me one kanda. Yeah now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. See now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Tell her you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Say now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo.
Actrice on the mix. I like you, cool as yeah, so.
My sweetie mama, yeah. My sweetie mama, yeah. My sweetie mama need you now, me life together, yeah. Say my sweetie mama, yeah. My sweetie mama, yeah. My sweetie mama, yeah. My sweetie mama, yeah. My sweetie mama need you now, me life. Girl, I the craze for your body, yo. You know me honey, yo. Me a the craze for your body, yo. Me sweetie baby, yo. Me I go do everything for you. I go everything for you. Bad man feel do everything for you. I will do everything for you. Girl, you the kill me with your style, oh. Me have the craze for your style, oh. I say, girl, you the kill me with your bunko. Yeah, the beds for you bunko. Hey, me I go put scholar for you. I go put scholar for you. Bad man feel put cola for you. I go put scholar for you. Cause you know me one kanda. One kanda. See now you know me one kanda. One kanda. See now you know me one kanda. Oh na na one kanda. See now you know me one kanda. Oh me one kanda. Yeah now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. See now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. Yeah now you know me honey yo. Mommy yo. See now you know me honey yo. Oh no no. Mommy yo. Anything you want make I do, I go do. Any say you want make I go, I dey go. Number one, no go put in number two. Cause she not the one where they make I feel the gold. Oh no 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 no, yeah. Tell her say you so beautiful. You not the one where they make I feel so good. Every day me a lady you. Cause you na me holly, you the give me with your style and the body. Anytime I need you na me side, you got the ready. Gally you so sweet, you na me milk and me honey. Anytime I see you pretty gal, I the jolly. Gally you so classic, romantic, fancy, fantastic. Anytime I need you na me side, you the can't find it in me life. I see you na profit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause you na me one kanda. One kanda. See now you na me one kanda. One kanda, yeah now you na me one kanda. Oh na na one kanda, see now you na me one kanda. Oh me one kanda, yeah now you na me honey yo. Mommy yo, see now you na me honey yo. Mommy yo, yeah now you na me honey yo. Mommy yo, see now you na me honey yo.
Like your body, baby, you dey give me fire. Girl, I like your body, baby, you dey give me fire. I like the way you do me coco. Oh, baby girl, you know me coco. I like to call me on the name for your love, I go the fire. I like the way you do me coco. Oh, baby girl, you know me coco. I like to call me on the name, I go tire.
For this next step, I am going to use hot water and dip the ends in.
On the mix.
One kanda, see now you na me one kanda. One kanda.
Now I'm about to install the scores that I did prior. So if you guys want to see how I made the score, check this video. I'm gonna link it down in the description so you can see, and if you want to learn, if you care to learn, you can learn how to do it. So what I'm gonna use 2 curls for each strand of box braid. I'm going to use the crochet hook and just hook it through like so, and gonna secure it right there. And then I'm also going to put 1 down. It will be 2 for 1 strand. I won't be installing too much. For the whole look, I just install about 15 strands. 15 strands of box braids I did install. So as you can see, I'm going to install 2 for 1, and then I'm going to just open the curls out. Okay, just once. I'm going to open them.
You know me honey yo. Me had the grace for your body yo. Me sweetie baby yo. Me I go do everything for you. I go do everything for you. Bad man feel do everything for you. I go do everything for you. Girl, you the kill me with your style yo. Me had the grace for your style yo. I say girl, you the kill me with your bunko. Yeah. Beds for you bunko. Hey, me I go put scholar for you. I go put scholar for you. Bad man feel put cola for you. I go put scholar for you. Cause you know me one kanda. One kanda. Say na you na me Wakanda. Wakanda. Say na you na me Wakanda. Oh na na Wakanda. Say na you na me Wakanda. Oh me Wakanda. Say na you na me honey yo. Mommy yo. Say na you na me honey yo. Mommy yo. Say na you na me honey yo. Mommy yo. Say na you na me honey yo. Oh na na. Mommy yo. Anything you want make I do, I go do. Any say you want make I go, I dey go. Number one, no go put in number two. Cause she not the one where they make I feel the gold. Oh no 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 no, yeah. Tell her say you so beautiful. You not the one where they make I feel so good. Every day me a lady you. Cause you na me holly, you the me with your style and the body. Anytime I need you na me side, got the ready. Gally you so sweet, you na me milk and me honey. Anytime I see you pretty gal, I the jolly. Gally you so classic, romantic, fancy, fantastic. Anytime I need you na me side, you the can't find it in me life. I see you na profit. Yeah. Cause you na me Wakanda. Wakanda. Say na you na me Wakanda.
Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you like, you share if you care, and don't forget to come back, okay? Subscribe to this channel. See you on my next one. Peace out.